Hello, in front of me I've got FC25. In this video I'll show you how to perform heel flick turn. To perform heel flick turn, make sure that your player has 5 stars dribbling skills. Now press and hold L2, R1 and now flick right analog left, right. If you are using it in opposite direction, also flick analog in opposite direction. It's really helpful if you've got opponent rushing towards you from bottom or top. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.